All right, folks, today we're working on chapter 6.7, and we are going to be talking about fraction of a set. Okay, so we'll begin by looking at a model and figuring out a fraction of a set. So if you take a look, we have 16 total cups right here. The 16 total cups are grouped into groups of 4. So obviously 4 groups of 4 gives us 16. We see there are 2 different color sets of cups. 3 of those groups of 4 are blue cups, which gives us 12 cups out of 16. So 12 out of 16 is 3/4 of the cup. So 3/4 of 16 equals 12. All right, here we have 9 cubes. We have 3 purple cubes, 6 orange cubes. They are divided into equal groups. 3 equal groups, 3 cubes in each group. So I have 6 orange cubes. That takes up 2/3 of my cubes. So 6 is 2/3 of 9. So if I want to figure out the fraction 2/3 out of 9, or 2/3 of 9, I have 9 total cubes. Since my denominator is 3, the total cubes, 9 divided by 3, equals 3 in each group. My denominator, 2, tells me I'm interested in 2 of those groups. So my 2 times 3 equals 6. So that gives me my 6 equals 2/3 of 9. Okay, so now you're going to do some practice problems on ClassKick. Remember, you can always come back and watch this video if you're struggling, or you can ask myself or Mrs. Hodgen for some assistance. Once you finish the ClassKick, come back to watch more of this video. You will only complete slides 1 and 2 of the ClassKick for right now. Here is the code PIR7B6. All right, here's another way to find a fractional part of a number. This way is a little faster and a little more efficient, and we're going to use multiplication. So when you're reading these problems, 3/4 of 16, think of as a multiplication symbol. So now we're going to do 3/4 times 16. So when you do that, you're going to multiply the numerator, which in this case is 3, times the whole number. This case is 16. That is going to give you 48. Now we know that the fraction bar also means to divide. So here we have 48 over 4, which also means 48 divided by 4. 48 divided by 4 equals 12. So therefore 3/4 of 16 is 12. Okay, you're going to go to the same ClassKick that you were on before and try a couple of problems the way I just showed you now with using multiplication. Again, if you get stuck, come back to the video or ask myself or Mrs. Hodgen.